Hello and welcome to a new video from me. I'm Alex, and today I'll show you an eco-friendly and cost-effective method to thoroughly clean your dishwasher without relying on harsh chemical cleaners. This is not only good for the environment, but also for your wallet. The dishwasher undoubtedly makes our household chores easier by quickly and reliably cleaning our dishes. However, from time to time, the dishwasher itself needs thorough care. In addition to regularly cleaning the spray arms, the dishwasher sieve, and the filter, it is also important to clean the interior of the dishwasher. Over time, grease and limescale deposits can accumulate here. We will cover the spray arms, the dishwasher sieve with drain, the filter, and other important parts in the upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these useful tips. Today, we'll focus on cleaning the interior, and I'll show you how it can be done quite easily. All you need for this is about 50 grams of baking soda, or alternatively, baking powder, and some vinegar. Have you ever tried using home remedies to clean your dishwasher? I'm curious about your experiences, so feel free to let me know in the comments. Let's start by removing the lower dish rack from the dishwasher to access the lower part of the interior. There, we'll generously spread the baking soda on the bottom. Next, we open the powder compartment of the dishwasher and fill it with vinegar until it's full. Then, we close the powder compartment again. By the way, after the cleaning instructions, I have a special tip at the end that you definitely shouldn't miss. So be sure to stay tuned until the end. Now we put the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the empty machine. Next, it's important to choose and start a washing program with a high temperature. This ensures not only thorough cleaning but also descaling of the machine. And here's the promised extra secret tip to not only keep your dishwasher clean, but also enjoy a fresh scent. After cleaning, you can put about a tablespoon of baking soda in the cutlery compartment. The baking soda helps to neutralize unpleasant odors and gives your dishes and dishwasher a pleasant scent. Try it out, and your dishwasher will not only be spotlessly clean, but also smell wonderfully fresh. Before we conclude, I want to hear from you. What home remedy do you prefer to use for household cleaning? Share your answers in the comments. Thank you for being here, and until the next video, stay clean. Your Alex.